This quick flow is any time that you feel that you want to lift your energy and feel energized. We will begin at the top of our mats, coming into mountain pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Folding forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the left foot back, coming into high lunge. Exhale into warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle pose. Side angle. Pyramid pose. Step the left foot to meet the right, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. And root to rise. And exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward, stepping the right foot back, coming into high lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Side angle. Pyramid. This time, coming back through plank, and you can do chaturanga or knees, chest, and chin, yogi's choice, to cobra or upward dog, and then meet me and downward dog. Walk your feet to the top of the mat. Bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, root to rise. Hands meet. And exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the right foot back, coming into high lunge. Now move with your breath, not necessarily my cues. So from high lunge into warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Side angle. Pyramid. Step the right foot to meet the left. Bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, root to rise. Hands meet up above. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the right leg back. Inhale, high lunge again. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Side angle. Pyramid. This time, step the left foot back and go into plank. Move into plank. You can do knees, chest, or chin, or chaturanga, cobra, or upward dog. And meet me in downward dog. Walk your feet to the top of the mat. Bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Bow forward, root to rise. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward, stepping the left foot back, coming into high lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Side angle. Pyramid. Step the left foot to meet the right. Bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, bow forward, stepping the left foot back again. Inhale to high lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Side angle. Pyramid. Step the right foot back to meet the left. Come into high plank. Knees, chest, and chin, or chaturanga. Cobra or upward dog. And downward dog. Meet me in downward dog for 3 deep inhales and 3 deep exhales. Come down onto the knees. Sit back into child's pose. Releasing, letting go, and feeling the energy that you just created. At the same time, settling into this stillness. The next inhale, walk the hands back towards the knees, coming to an upright spine. And taking the knees together, sitting in hero's pose, resting the palms on top of the thighs, palms facing up. Close down your eyes. feel the energy shift. Express gratitude for taking the time to move into this gentle, energizing flow, to lift your energy, to energize yourself, and at the same time, releasing any tension and tightness. And put a smile on your face. Take a deep inhale. Gently exhale. And bring the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Bow your head to your heart. And then lift the hands up to the third eye, trusting your intuition, and then bringing the hands down to the heart, connecting your intuition to your heart, your spirit, and then bowing towards one another. Namaste.